Hey guys, this is Fundo on Parama. Tonight on Uzalo, Matongwe is giving the strict introduction for the random drop off. He, he contributes the the money of the kidnappers, but he reached 60,000, and it seems like Matongwe is scared to drop this money. While Pastor Kuala got judged by the member of the church that he always complain about people mistake, but he does not see a mistake. But Pastor Kuala confessed on the church members that Nosipho is not pregnant, his child. While Nosipho is arriving on the church, and he got disappointed when he see that Pastor Kuala confesses the truth, and it seems like Nosipo is disappointed when he hear Pastor Kuala confess, while Mbata has the conflict with his wife. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.